Hello again, and welcome to the Cosmic Patterns YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the part 7 of the Sirius Comprehensive series. This is going to be a short video because this is the almost the end part of the program. So let me show it to you. This is part 7. Okay, in part 7 we have the magnifying glass, that is the zoom out or to enlarge, and this is the zoom in and is to decrease, and this is the display size option. This is very simple and easy. Okay, this is self-explanatory. Just click on the plus magnifying glass to enlarge an image, then magnifying glass to reduce its size, and use the center icon to center the image within the display area. Okay, so I will show it to you now within the program. This is a short video for you. Okay, it's right here. It's right here. Magnify wheel or either graphic reports. You just click in here. It will click on OK. It's already in the maximum size. So we're going to decrease the size by clicking on this one. Okay. If you click on here, as you can see, it enlarges it. Okay, sometimes it's not in the center anymore, so you click on here and then click on full size centered landscape, and it will center it for you. Okay, it's that simple. Very easy, huh? Yes, thanks again for watching. You take care now. Bye-bye.